So in this series, what we're going to do is go over a backtesting framework I made. And this is something I made, whipped up in like 3 days, right? So I got the idea for doing this from one of our community members in our school group. You can see our little coder trader in the background there, join the school. Now, we're going to go through the code structure. So this is not about just something you can copy and paste. It's more about giving you the ideas and frameworks to build your own. So as always, let's start off with the coding architecture of how to build some of these things. Now, there's just going to be 3 real simple components. There's going to be a data collection component, like a testing engine component, and then just the strategy component, which we can swap in and out. And then just, I guess, a 4th one as well here, where we're going to sort of interact with each of these 3 components with a user interface. Now, this is sort of the architecture diagram. Now, the code will be freely available on GitHub. You can look in the description below for it, try work out what's going on, but I have the code open right here. So as you can see, this is just the full code, and we're going to go through it in this series, right? And we've got, so we've got the data collection here. Yep, and then that'll, and then the collector is the main thing we want to look at, which will collect data from our exchange, diagrams, and this is the strategy class. We've got our base class and the strategy, which will implement the base class here. So yeah, base class and then implement the RSI strategy. And then obviously the big backtester component. And then that is all of that. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go through it, and hopefully by the end of the series, you'll have a good idea about how to build some of these backtesting frameworks for yourself. This video is brought to you by Coder Trader, my school community. So we teach coders to trade and traders to code. Build, test, deploy automated trading systems like they do in industry and like they do in institutions. Okay, now let's get back to the video.